That's Astor Taylor, who had a paper published that discussed the possibility that dark comets could have brought water to the Earth. So,
more so than other comets?
Right.
well, people used to think that comets delivered water to the Earth, and we still don't know where the Earth's oceans came from. And part of the reason that we're now not sure if comets delivered the water is because we have spacecraft measurements of water in comets, like the Rosetta mission, went to 67P, and some of the isotopes, which is some of the things about the water in that comet, did not match that we've measured in the Earth's oceans.
This would be deuterium. I
Yes,
guess, right?
yes. So that's one of them. So the deuterium to hydrogen ratio.
Yeah, so hydrogen is just one proton in the nucleus. And the protons define what we label the element to be. So now you throw in a neutron.
Okay.
It's still hydrogen, but now it's like a little heavier.
Right. So you can't just, it's got to be hydrogen, something else.
Something, you gotta need
You need
do
something with the name.
Right, and so it's called
can't-
deuterium.
Right.
How stable is deuterium?
Well, it's not that it's stable. It's just the important thing is that the amount of deuterium compared to hydrogen isn't going to change from processing. And it depends very critically at the temperature of
It won't change
formation.
chemically.
Right.
So if the comet doesn't match that in the oceans, you can't credit the comet
Right.
for delivering.
That's
the water.
correct. So we don't know for sure, and Astor was very careful to say this in the press releases and news articles about their paper, but we can't say for sure that dark comets could have contributed water to the Earth. But they are a entirely new population of small bodies that are in the new source, potential source. They're in the vicinity of the Earth, and they potentially have volatiles. So we would need follow-up observations to figure out if they match up.